to the city of Gazimaguse in the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. The majestic western facade of today's mosque was modeled after the Cathedral of Notre-Dame in France, one of the most beautiful buildings in the city of Gazimaguse, but also in the whole of Cyprus, is the Mustafa Pasha Mosque. It is an important religious and historical monument, but also a remarkable world reality. It was originally the Roman Catholic Cathedral of St. Nicholas, built at the turn of the 13th and 14th centuries. The original Roman Catholic Church is today the largest medieval building in Gazimaguse and at the same time the most beautiful example of architecture in Cyprus. The conquest of the city of Gazimaguse by the Ottomans was also reflected in the local architecture, and this was the original beautiful Gothic building rebuilt into a mosque, which was given the new name of Mustafa Pasha, in order for the building to be in accordance with the Islamic religion. We removed almost all the statues, crosses, stained glass, and paintings that decorated it, as well as most of the tombs and altars, so today the interior here is dominated by simplicity. The most striking elements of this building are the remains of two four-sided towers that were once decorated with delicate windows. The upper parts of the two things were badly damaged during the attacks of 1571 and the subsequent earthquake of 1735. If you look closely, you can still see the damage caused by the Ottoman bombing. Welcome to the city of Gazimaguse.